We'll guide you through how to fix any phone not charging. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as perhaps your phone is already out of charge and so you can't use it, or it's nearly out of charge and you're worried that you aren't then going to be able to use it. First of all, do just go and inspect it, make sure it's not frayed, and make sure that it's working. Try testing it on another device, or try getting another cable and try using it with this device here. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is inspecting the port, as it's likely there could be some debris or something else in there stopping it from charging correctly as the contacts are blocked. Often you're going to find that when you put it in your pocket, it goes and collects cotton and other things. So what you can try doing is removing it with a very soft brush. If there's dust in there, it's worth blowing it just to go and remove anything that can be in there. You can also try using other things like compressed air as well if you've got it. Try plugging it in, go and seeing if it will now go and charge. If it still doesn't, the next thing we'll try doing is a restart. So even though the phone may be completely off, it doesn't matter. So what you want to do is you want to go and plug it in. Do make sure you're using a working cable that you've tested. And then the method to do this will vary depending upon the phone. On this phone, I need to hold down the side power button and the volume button down together like so. And you need to research it for your phone. And you want to hold it down until you go and see the boot logo and release. Hopefully it will now go and start. So just keep it held down even when it stays black. Then hopefully it will go and start again. Hopefully now your phone is charging and you're able to go and use it.